September 15th through October 15th marks Hispanic Heritage Month. And what better way to celebrate than with food? So here to share some of the secrets to her famous dishes at the Cuban kitchen is Chef Patricia. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so empanadas are a classic, but what's the secret to making them perfect?
Well, you definitely want to have a very flavorful, moist filling and buttery, crusty, crunchy dough.
Okay. And so you've brought a bunch of different options for us here. What did you bring?
So we have beef empanadas here. So they're made with ground beef and sofrito, etc. Then these are Spanish empanadas with spinach, caramelized onions, herbs, feta cheese.
This is great. This is very good, just for the record. Okay, keep going. So spinach and feta.
And then here we have shrimp empanadas with a little bit of a squid ink decoration, which we're going to try today.
Amazing. Okay, and so you can really get creative with the fillings. Is there any rules to what can and can't go in?
No, as long as it's very moist, so it withstands the shell.
Okay, and so you're going to walk us through here how to actually put it all together.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've flattened the dough out here?
So we have already cut out the discs.
Okay.
And the first thing we're going to do is do a bit of an egg wash to help it seal when we close it.
So just put it on the corner there?
Just in the top.
Awesome. Okay, so just on the top there, so that's going to help it seal eventually. Okay. Ooh, and then is this the filling? Chef, look at that. Okay. And this is the shrimp? Ooh, okay.
And we want to, cut it out so it's not like huge pieces of shrimp.
Not huge. Okay, so don't go too over the top. Don't get excited. Look at that. Okay.
And then we're going to fold it over.
This is the part I've been waiting for. I'm really, okay. And so you make this in advance and then can that sit for a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want it to be cold.
You want it to be cold. Okay.
Yeah, so then you're going to fold over and then you're going to kind of like hold it.
Okay, so kind of like squeeze it in the middle. Okay. Oh, look at that. And I'm just pinching?
Yep.
Why does yours look so much better than mine? She's like, yeah, obviously. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay.
We need some cleaning here.
Some cleaning. Okay, so this seems like it could be a really fun activity for the whole family to do. And then you get to eat what you make.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this part, the squid ink.
Well, we can do that. Actually, I'm going to take my gloves so we don't make it super. You can kind of get creative, do your inner Picasso. or
and just like that.
Yeah.
I broke mine. That's what Picasso would do. He would just go with it. If it's broken, this is amazing. Okay, so where can people visit you and get their hands on this if they... Yours is beautiful. Mine is not quite. Where can people find you and visit?
So we have 2 locations, one in Cambridge, close to Potter Square, and one in Waltham on Moody Street.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for being here. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month, and you guys get over there because these are delicious. I got my work cut out for me, and I'm kind of, I'm going to have to show Kwani that I got food today, too.